presentation. Hi. All right, cool. So what I'm going to show you is this program called Celtx. Remember, it was in your iBook that I sent out. All right, so I'm just going to bring this up. And what this does, this is essentially a screenplay website, okay? And so you can write screenplays on here. And the whole point of it is you can actually share what you're working on as well. So 2 or 3 or 4 of you can write the same screenplay and you can help each other out. So I'm going to quickly show you. So here's one I made yesterday. So if we do a new document, okay, what you get here is basically a blank page. And you can see you've got some options down here. Action, character, dialogue. Do you remember what these ones were? Emotions, yeah, that was your emotions, good one. Transition, shot, and text. So how it works is, it kind of does all that hard work for you. So if I do scene heading, I will do, I don't know. Alright, so you can see, automatically, it's done the correct font. You know how it said it picked a Courier new font? So it's done the font for me and it's put it in capitals. And you can see here now it's gone straight to an action shot. So this is the action. So, you can type in your scene now. And you should probably just learn how to type. I really don't. Looking, you know, strict. He sits down. Done. So that's my action shot. So remember, action is describing everything that you're seeing. Okay? So that's in there. Now I want to say something. So what you can do is if I just go to character, it'll then go to the character. And it automatically centers it and gives it capital letters, like you're meant to do. So it does the work for you. If I hit enter now, you can see it's now switched to dialogue. So now I can start talking.
You don't need to be sure, you don't need a microphone, you don't need a telephone, you don't even need a trombone.
Done. And now you can see if I hit enter, it's gone to another character. So I can say,
You don't even need a telephone.
hit enter, automatically goes to the next character. And off you go. I'm assuming Angus will be making noise at this point. So, and so you can see how it's automatically formatting it for me. And off you go. So you don't have to worry about centering your text, doing the right headings, the right capitals. It does it all for you. And then we might do another action shot. So you pick action and off you go. Okay? Or transition. So I might change this now to, what would I have if I was going outside? Done. Exterior. Goes back to the scene heading, so I can say, you know, basketball courts, and then off you go, and now it jumps straight to the action. So you can see how it formats for you automatically, so you don't have to worry about thinking, oh wait, so the action's got to be centered, and then I've got to do this. So it does it all for you. So then we can have our action shot. So our action shot for the basketball court could be, you know, 2 students plating. Well, you know, they could be plating. Alright, so there's your action. You hit enter, and now we might want to go into our dialogue. So we click our character, alright, and we go back to say Jared. Enter, goes into his dialogue, you know, nice, oh no, nice shot. Alright, enter, and I might just say Mitch, myth. Oh, typing is not important just yet. Yes, it was. And then we'll go back to Angus. More noise. Alright? And then you keep on going like that. So if we want to do our next shot, again, we just go back to our action. Okay? Goes back to our action and we can type in our next shot. Alright? I'm just saving time now. And then if we want to go into a new scene, then we go to our transition. Okay? And we'll go inside now. And then we've got a new heading, and it could be, you know, the classroom, and then back to action and off we go. So you can understand how that works. So it's really, really easy. So I'll just quickly run you through it again. So you've got, if you want to manually change stuff, it's up here. Okay. So with our screenplays, I think we'll just be focusing on doing our scene headings. All right. Our transitions. So if they're interior and exterior. Our action. So setting the scene and saying what we see, and our dialogue. okay? I reckon that's the main stuff we should focus on. We don't need to worry about all this other stuff just yet, okay? It's a bit complex and we don't really have the time for it. So that's what we should focus on, and I'll get you all to kind of do it that way. So you can either write it through Celtx, okay? What you need to do is set up an account, and I'll show you how to do that. You just use your Brainlight email address, and you can set it up, and you can start working on it straight away, and it saves it online, so you can finish working at home if you want to. You can go on your own computers at home or on your iPads, and you can log back in, and you can keep working on this here, because it'll actually save it under your email address there. Or if you want to do it another way, look, I'm more than happy for you to type it up manually if you want to do it on the computers or you want to do it on your iPad. But remember, you'll have to remember that kind of that formatting, where the center is, where you have to have capitals, whereas this kind of does the hard work for you. Okay, so I'll leave it up to you. I'm just going to start recording that now.